Do you still make a separate trip to the bank just to deposit a check? If your answer is yes, then you're missing out on the ultimate banking convenience. Mobile check deposit with Poppy Bank lets you securely snap, tap, and deposit your checks right from your phone, wherever you are. It's fast, it's secure, and it means no more waiting in line. I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to set up and complete your first mobile deposit using the Poppy Bank mobile app. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the app and log in. First things first, you need the official Poppy Bank mobile app. You can download it for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, log in using your standard Poppy Bank online banking user ID and password. If you're a new user, you may have to go through a quick one-time verification process. Step 2. Endorse your check. This is crucial for mobile deposits. Before you even open the app, flip your check over to the back. Sign your name exactly as it appears on the pay to the order of line. Write "for mobile deposit only" underneath your signature. This instruction is essential, as it prevents the check from being cashed elsewhere and adds a layer of security. Step 3. Initiate the deposit in the app. Now, open the Poppy Bank app and look for the deposit feature. This is usually found in the main menu or sometimes as a dedicated icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap Deposit or Check Deposit to start the process. If this is your first time, you may need to read and accept the Mobile Deposit Services terms and conditions. Next, select the account you want the funds deposited into, your checking or savings, for example. Enter the exact check amount as a numerical value. Double-check this number, as an incorrect amount could delay your deposit. Step 4. Capture the images. This is where your phone's camera comes into play. The app will prompt you to take a picture of the front of the check. Place your endorsed check on a flat, dark, well-lit surface. Make sure all 4 corners of the check are visible and in the frame provided on your screen. The app will often auto-capture the image when everything is aligned. If the photo is blurry, retake it. Repeat the process for the back of the check. Again, ensure the endorsement is clear and legible. Review both images to confirm they are sharp and clearly show all the text and numbers. Step 5. Review and submit. Before the final step, the app will show you a summary, the account, the amount, and the front and back images. Verify all the details one last time. Once you're satisfied, tap Submit Deposit. You will receive an on-screen confirmation and usually an email confirming that your mobile deposit has been successfully submitted. Remember that deposits are subject to verification, so the full amount may not be available immediately. Check your account terms for the specific hold times. A final, very important tip: hold onto your physical check for a couple of weeks, or until you see the funds fully clear and post to your account. After that, you can securely destroy it. And that's it. You've successfully used the power of mobile banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.